Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we are going to unbox this portable gas stove and grill pan that I ordered from Lazada. I will also be giving away the same items to one lucky subscriber, so if you would like to know the mechanics or how to win this, just keep on watching. This grill pan costs 881 pesos and it has 1 year warranty, and it says the material is made out of aluminum. So let's go ahead and check it out. So this grill pan looks durable, and compared to cast iron grill pans, this is very much lighter. And also it has the oil outlet, so that's where all the oil will come out whenever we roast the meat. And just make sure to adjust the screw located in the center of the grill pan. Now this portable gas stove costs 445 pesos. It comes with its protective case, so you can always keep it inside whenever you're not using it. It has its manual on how to use the gas stove. So this is how it looks like, and this is where you put the butane gas. So I got the butane gas from Handyman, and this one cost 72 pesos. You can adjust the screw if you would like to use it as a stew pot or as a grill pan. So this is how you put the butane gas. Oops, if you didn't catch that, let me do it again. Make sure to lock it by sliding it down before turning the stove on. And there you go. Now that it's all set, let's start our DIY Samgyupsal sa Bahay. I got all of this just for 100 pesos, and I bought this from the market. So this one I bought from a Korean supermarket, and this one costs 50 pesos each. So this is called fish cake. We also have kimchi for 80 pesos. So this marinating sauce costs 130 pesos. We also have cheese for 33 pesos. And of course, gochujang or samjang for 76 pesos. I also got these 5 pairs of chopsticks for 88 pesos only. And of course, the pork, this is already bacon sliced, and for 500 grams it costs 192 pesos. Just make sure to wash the meat before putting the marinating sauce. You can marinate the meat for at least an hour or 2. Just don't forget to put a cup or a plate under the oil outlet to catch the oil from the food. So next time you crave samgyupsal, you can try this with the whole family and friends for just less than 1,000 pesos. So all in all, I can say that these are quality products, though they are very affordable. The grill pan is non-stick, so it's very much easy to clean. Just make sure to put it in the case if you're not gonna use it. So if you're a samgyupsal lover like me, I recommend you to buy these products. Not only you can save money, you can enjoy it with your family and friends right at the comfort of your home.